औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। दोस्तों अस्सलामु अलैकुम। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है पेडागोजी एमसीक्यूज़ फॉर एनटीएस, पीएससी, सीएसएस एंड ऑल काइंड ऑफ एजुकेटर टेस्ट। इससे पहले इसी पेडागोजीज़ की दो सीरीज़ पार्ट 1 और पार्ट 2 मैं अपने यूट्यूब चैनल पर अपलोड कर चुका हूँ। अगर अभी तक आपने नहीं देखी तो मेरे यूट्यूब ऑफिशियल चैनल आरिफ द एजुकेटर पर जाकर आप उनसे इस्तेफ़ादा कर सकते हैं। अगर आप इस तरह की मज़ीद अच्छी वीडियो टेस्ट रिलेटेड या टेस्ट प्रिपरेशन के रिलेटेड देखना चाहते हैं तो मेरे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और इसको अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कीजिए। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तो आइए अपना सबक शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, डैश इज़ अ student generated list of what maintained by the students to remind them of what they need more work on. Word list, spelling notebook, matching word, none of these. इसका जो दुरुस्त जवाब है वो है स्पेलिंग नोटबुक्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है, करिकुलम डेवलपमेंट refers to the total process of curriculum designing, implementing, evaluating, all. इसका जो दुरुस्त जवाब है वो है all. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है, ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी वाज एस्टेब्लिश अंडर द पॉलिसी 1972, 1985, 1964, 1932. The right answer is 1972. The next question is, Plato argued that dash are fit to rule. Educationist and philosopher, only educationist, only philosopher, only psychologist. The right answer is only philosopher. Next question is, there is in working memory as people get older. Upgradation, degradation, no change, a slight change. The right answer is degradation. The next question is, the concept of permanentalism in education mean school curricula should focus on what is important, everlasting, in demand, indeed. The right answer is everlasting. Next question is, the famous book The Republic was written by Socrates, Plato, Aristotle, John Locke. Here the right answer is Plato. Question number is any activity that occur outside the classroom for the purpose of providing hand-off experience with objects or people that only occur in certain place. Field work, field observation, field walk, field trip. The right answer is field trip. The next question is the first head of the Deoband was Maulana Shah Waliullah, Maulana M. Yaqub Nanatwi, Maulana Mahmudul Hasan, Shabir Ahmad Usmani. The right answer is Maulana M. Yaqub Nanatwi. Next question is the information about internet and computer makes children give more knowledge, increase the knowledge of the information, make him best disciplined, more intelligent. Right answer is increase the knowledge of the information. The next question is the study of the physical, social, and mental aspect of gaining is called aesthetic, genetic, genetology, clinical psychology. The right answer is genetology. Basic education mean system of education, poor learning, basic of any learning, minimum learning. Right answer is basic of any learning. Question number, the next question is provide educational institution were nationalized under Educational Conference 1947, National Education Commission 1959, National Education Policy 1970, Natural Education Policy 1972. The right answer is Natural Education Policy 1972. Conducting necessary for micro teaching is controlled environment, repeat manifestation of only one skill, observation and criticism, all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. In your views, which one is the most important factor of teaching process? Teaching material, student, teacher, the environment of the class. Right answer is teacher. Dash or visual framework of help to learning make connection between concepts, graphic representations, graphic organizer, graphics charts, none of these. The right answer is graphic organizer. According to email, the noblest work in education is to make an good citizen, resourcing man, thinker, interpreter. The right answer is resourcing man. The next question is the base of which the subject, activity, and experience or plan is called course, behavior, design, logical sequence. The correct answer is design. The advocator of philosophy of pragmatism believed that reality is imagination, staged, constantly changing, related to mind. The right answer is constantly changing. The next question is the techniques in which the student act out rules from story or historical event is termed as drama, simulation, play, all of the above. The right answer is all of above. Next one, realistic education system supports the dash progress, natural, social, scientific, technical. The right answer is technical. Oh, sorry, scientific. The next question is models of curriculum presently being used at any stage in Pakistan is activity, subject, integrated, all of above. The right answer is all of above. A normal human being has dash sense. 4, 5, 6, 7. The right answer is 5. A good teacher is one who, in highly intelligent, has mastery over the his teaching subject, lives simple life, has genuine interest in his student. The right answer is has genuine interest in his students. दोस्तों इसके साथ ही आज का हमारा ये सबक ख़त्म हुआ। इस सबक से मुताल्लिक़ अगर कोई भी सवाल है तो कमेंट बॉक्स में कीजिएगा, मैं कोशिश करूँगा उसको खातिर ख्वाह जवाब आपको फराहम कर सकूँ। अगर आप इससे फुली तौर पर इस्तेफ़ादा हासिल करना चाहते हैं तो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मैं इसका लिंक फराहम कर दूँगा, जहाँ से आप इसको डाउनलोड करके इसकी स्लाइड को अच्छी तरीके से रीड आउट कर सकते हैं। अगर इस तरह की मज़ीद और अच्छी वीडियो देखना चाहते हैं तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, आरिफ द एजुकेटर। अल्लाह हाफिज़। अस्सलामु अलैकुम।